this one right. There's a dog right by my feet. So if you've seen the pictures on, let me just start this over again. Get out of the kitchen. You bum. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your favorite college nugget on a budget, Ari, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get this look. It's a real cute brown and blue halo eye. Super simple, but also really cute, really pretty. I feel like it's honestly super for day and nighttime, but maybe I'm just biased because I really like this look. This is one of my favorite looks from 2018, and I filmed it 2 times. We're not going to talk about it. I'm filming it again, and this is it. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
I'm starting with an already primed eye, and I'm taking the Milani Pure Passions palette, the shade Spice It Up, and I'm packing and blending that on as a transition. Next up is a shade from the same palette. The shade's called A Late Date, and I'm putting that on the inner and outer corner and just bringing it just barely into the crease. Blending. Duh. My eye shape's a little difficult, so I'm just taking an angled brush in that same dark brown and putting that more into my inner corner. Now I'm taking my NYX water palette and taking shade 12, and I'm putting that at the center of my lid. Blending. Duh. Now I'm taking shade number 2, again from the NYX water palette, and I'm putting it right in the center to make my eyes look more 3D and also to make them look kind of wet.
Okay. Woo!
I'm just putting some powder on under my cheekbones so you know it can be snatched. And now I'm taking my Black Radiance contour palette to, you know, make me look less like a jelly bean. I'm throwing some powder underneath my eye to catch any fallout for doing my under eye shadow. And I'm using my Pure Passions palette yet again, the shade Spice It Up and The Late Date to smoke out my under eye. Here you'll see me blushing my cheeks with my Milani blush in the shade Toasted Almond. blush in my chin too. I'm using brown eyeliner and I am not doing a wing. It's not a wing. Trust me. Using my Hard Candy Plumping Primer Serum thing to, make my lips look a little more full. Now I'm taking my Ruby Kisses matte liquid lipstick in the shade Choco Craze, and I'm using that as a lip liner. In the center of my lips, I'm using the Clinique Matte Beauty lipstick, and it doesn't matter that it's matte because I'm putting gloss on. The gloss in question is the Alyssa, Ashley, and Elf collab, the shade Nude Rose. That lip gloss is my jam. And the rest of this video is me feeling myself while adjusting my lashes. I'm a mess.
Alrighty guys, so that's it for this tutorial, and I hope you like the look. Let me know if you try it out. Tag me on Twitter and I was like Twitter and Facebook, what? Twitter or Instagram, like if you recreate this, and yeah.